For decades, R&M Spraying has delivered precision aerial application that producers trust. Every pass, every droplet, calibrated, tested, and applied with accuracy. Now, we're taking that same commitment to quality to new heights with our fleet of ag drones. Precision application doesn't start in the air, it starts long before takeoff. That's why we rigorously test our airplanes and drones using pattern testing, ensuring uniform coverage and maximum efficiency for your crops. From nozzles to droplet size, every detail is fine-tuned and double-checked so that your application is consistent, effective, and done right the first time. Adding drone application to our services means more ways to protect your fields without sacrificing the quality you expect from R&M Spraying. Where aerial application provides broad coverage at high speed, drone application offers precise control, ideal for hard-to-reach areas and late-season applications when crops are too tall for traditional methods. Our team doesn't just fly. We measure, adjust, and perfect every application. With advanced pattern testing, real-time monitoring, and an experienced crew, we ensure that every acre gets the coverage it needs. With R&M Spraying, you're not just getting aerial application, you're getting a partner in precision agriculture. From planes to drones, our commitment remains the same: precision, efficiency, and results you can trust. Ready to take your application to the next level?